Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So I'm starting my weekend vlog off here. We are at the gas station. We're on our way to Atlanta. So me and my brother, we're taking a road trip. Oh, my mom's calling. Yes. Yes.
Tell Ryan I said.
Okay. Here in the gas station.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'll let him know.
Okay.
All right. So I have my travel snack, which is some boiled peanuts from my favorite location. I love boiled peanuts, and if you guys are from Jacksonville, the BP on Bay Meadows, they have the best boiled peanuts here. Like, I would drive from cross town just to come get these boiled peanuts. They so good. Like, the flavor, so good. I need to clean my glasses. So yes, y'all, we are going to Atlanta, and we will be in Atlanta until Monday. We would have left last night, but y'all know it was my friend's birthday, the same day as my sister's birthday. So she had a little get together at this lounge last night. So we did that. It was a lot of fun. I have a minor hangover. I haven't had a hangover in so long. And we didn't even really drink that much. It was just because we had champagne and then we had shots, and that's a bad combination. So according to the GPS, we'll be in Atlanta at 4:48. All right, y'all, so here's my little road trip snacks. And then I got my very first Wawa sandwich because Ryan says that they're pretty good. And then this is a hangover must-have. I mean, I don't really have a hangover anymore. It's just my stomach is feeling a little janky. So Ryan has what kind of sandwich do you got?
It's a turkey club with avocado.
Looks good. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the hotel. We're staying at the W. This is the restroom behind that door. The front door, full body mirror. And then you walk in, this is our stuff. And we just have queen beds. And a nice little seating area. And this is our view. Here is the bathroom. Nice little robe. I want to take this robe home. Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all, my packing for this trip was so janky because we went out last night and I tried to pack a little bit before I went out, but like all of my like toiletries, makeup, you know, things like that. I usually put it in a separate bag. Girl, I threw all this stuff in a bag together. It's food, I know. Show you guys everything that I brought for this trip. So this is all my makeup. I'm not gonna go through all that stuff. I've been using this Night Glow anti-aging facial toner. I found this at TJ Maxx and I like it a lot. I've been using it like every night. So I brought this, my Chanel perfume, my boob tape, 2 pair of earrings, my anklet, cotton pads. I brought a mask to do, which I wanted to do that as soon as I got in the room, but I'll probably do that when we get back because we're just going to go get something to eat tonight. Today is going to just be like a chill day, but we're still going to do stuff. We have 2 masks here, my lip mask, my paddle brush, little clips for my hair, my bracelet, my Dove soap. This one is almost empty, and then Tony had brought this one back from the store before I left. Then I have my lotion that I told you guys about, facial spray, heat protectant, hairspray, deodorant, gum, and my face wash. That's my Louis bag in there, toothbrush, toothpaste. This is my watch. I brought my vitamins, and then I only brought 4 pair of shoes, not including the pair that I wore here, which is just some slides. So I brought my Valentino sneakers, just a pair of my dad's sandals, my little heels right here that I love. I love these heels, y'all. So cute. These, and then these little cuties. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm wearing right now. Just this little dress that I got from H&M, my dad's sandals, and my Louis bag. We're gonna be late because Ryan wants to look at his butt all night. No, we're going to this restaurant. This guy that we follow on Instagram. What's his Instagram name?
Chef Too Cool.
Yeah, Chef Too Cool's restaurant, The Goods. That's where we're going. Hopefully we make it because I think they close at 9 and it's 8:16. So if we make it to the restaurant, we'll see y'all there. All right, y'all, so we made it to the restaurant, but the guy said that the kitchen closes at 8, so we tried. Maybe we'll try again tomorrow for this spot because this is one that Ryan wanted to come to. So we'll try again. Thank you. So we'll try again tomorrow. So Ryan's gonna just spin the block to pick me up. And there is a restaurant at the hotel, but Ryan wanted his first night to be soul food. So here he comes. Okay, y'all, so I found this place called The Select. It's right there behind us, and that's where we're gonna have dinner. So I'll see you guys inside. Okay, y'all, so we're done with dinner. It was pretty tasty. I would go back. It's so pretty in there.
She's lying.
It's not pretty in there.
Oh, it's pretty.
Exactly.
I thought you said it was pretty.
It's gorgeous in there. So now it's just like this little park area across the street from the restaurant. So we're just walking up here just to check things out, but we don't know what we're doing now because it's late. It's like 10 o'clock, so Ryan's vlogging. We met a few friends in there. One just got engaged and the other one just got a promotion, so they were out celebrating. So they were from Chicago. They were nice though, but you know, once you have like a little too much to drink, you start doing a lot of talking. So. And live my life on screen, taking time out to be. All right, y'all, so today is Sunday. Look at this phone. Today is Sunday, and this is what I'm wearing. Just this little dress, some slides, and my shades. I was gonna wear my Valentino sneakers, but girl, them things are not comfortable at all. Okay, y'all, so we're outside. We're waiting on the car. Ryan called the valet for the car probably like 15 minutes ago, but it's still not here. So we're just outside. This is the patio area, like right by the lobby. So it's really nice. Ryan's on Snapchat. So we just, oh, there's our car. All right, y'all, so we'll see y'all in a minute. I need to wipe my camera off. So one thing, I've been to Atlanta before, right? It's been a while. It's been like some years. But I did not realize how hilly it is. And it's scaring me.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
We on one now.
Oh. Like, I can't look down at the, oh, gosh.
You see that one?
I did not
like
realize. Ryan.
Look, don't breathe.
No. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, this one's steep. Oh.
Ryan, seriously. Okay, we're getting ready to go to Lenox Mall, and
That's square. That's
I'm
not
so hungry.
It's a mall. That's the hotel. Hey Siri.
They say Lenox Square.
Hey Siri. Take me to Lenox Mall. Oh, there it is.
Getting directions to Lenox Square.
We here, girl.
He being so banjo with Siri. She gonna get banjo right back. All right, y'all, so we went to the mall, or we're still at the mall. We're just sitting in the car while people waiting on the parking spot. But I couldn't find anything that I like. I was so upset because y'all know y'all just want to spend money. Like, that was my whole reason of coming to Atlanta, to shop. I wanted to get this YSL bag. They didn't have it available, and I went in Zara. I took my precious time. They didn't have my size. Where else did we go? I went in Fendi. I wasn't like crazy about what they had. It wasn't really like calling my name. It's this one Fendi bag that I've had my eyes on for a while, but, and it's not even that much. But I don't know, I just said that I was buying the YSL bag and they didn't have it. So I ended up spending almost $500 in Sephora. I bought 3 bottles of perfume.
It's the way you talking. Your tone is, I'm screaming.
It is just not my day.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're like, I bought a bottle of perfume. I bought a stencil.
I think I bought 3 bottles of perfume from Sephora. No, I bought 2 bottles of perfume from Sephora, 1 bottle of perfume from Macy's. The lady in there, Ginger, hey girl, if you subscribe to the channel, because she said she was gonna subscribe to the channel. She was just pulling out all the goods, and
Okay.
we was eating it up. So I ended up with a bag full of stuff and spent $488 in Sephora. So now we're trying Ryan's restaurant again.
Not again.
But remember, I told y'all they don't have the same menu, or I don't know if I told y'all, but they don't have the same menu that he was interested in. Today the menu is different, but it's still something that we can have. And then later on we're gonna meet up with Craig and Carrie. We're gonna go over to their place, the Baddie Twins, and then he's gonna take us to a Jamaican restaurant because I really want some I wanted them to make us some oxtails, but y'all know that take a while, so he told me nobody got time for that.
Literally.
So he said he's gonna take us to his favorite Jamaican spot. They have really good oxtails, so we're gonna do that as well. Are you excited? Ryan couldn't find anything either. This, don't y'all hate that though? Like when you come to shop and then you can't find nothing. It's just like, it's so annoying.
Yeah, you was starting to drag your feet. I was like, girl.
I started getting down and depressed because I'm just like, because y'all know, listen, if y'all from Jacksonville, y'all feel me. Like, we don't have anything. Like, our shopping in Jacksonville is trash. We don't have anything but H&M, Forever 21. We have a Louis Vuitton, and that's it. We don't have nothing. We don't have none of the good stores. Like, our shopping is trash. And I'm not really like an online shopper. I'm kind of being forced to shop online because we don't have anything. But I don't like shopping online for clothes because I like to feel materials, and so I could know, like, does it have a little stretch? Can I, you know, I guess it wasn't meant to shop today, girl, but hey, I spent a little something. Y'all, we tried Ryan's restaurant again. And this time it was an hour and 15-minute wait.
He trying to hide from me.
And we're starved, so we don't want to wait that long. So now we're gonna try queen crab
I can't wait.
by K-Way.
See, what for you?
I'll be so happy. So yeah, we're gonna try this place, and if not, then we're gonna just head to
Chick-fil-A.
No, Chick-fil-A closed.
It is Sunday.
Gosh,
At this point.
this is just not our day.
Mister? Sheesh. Y'all running
What's that right there? Oh, that's the Hilton. There's a lot of people over there. All right, y'all. Reporting live. I'm starving. Here's the line for crab queens. So yeah, that's a no. So I think we need to just go get us a burger and tell Craig we on the way.
No matter what they say, babe.
Okay, y'all, can y'all guess where I am? I'm at Rihanna's. No, y'all look who it is. Baddie Twins.
And Sherry could be, are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Girl.
Yeah, so we're just hanging out over here, and we're gonna go have some, what's the name of the Jamaican spot?
Tasty Spoon.
Tasty Spoon. So that should be good. We so hungry, y'all. We ready to eat.
Sour.
So I'll see y'all back at the restaurant. We're gonna catch up and do our thing, okay? So this is the restaurant that we're going to. It's called Tasty Spoon, Jamaican and Kitchen. It's not a long wait. There's not a lot of people in here, so we're definitely gonna eat here, but we're gonna just get the food to go and eat it at Carrie and Craig's house. So, ooh, it look good.
I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. Cause you haven't got